You know, Chief, you got to hand it to the United States Post Office. They can bring a letter 3,000 miles through rain, sleet, snow, or dark of night just for our mailman, Charlie, to deliver it to the wrong house.
You get the Foster's mail by mistake again?
No, the Egglestons. I ran all the way down the block to Mrs. Eggleston, gave her mail. She gave us our mail plus 4 letters from Mrs. Cully because she says we live closer to Mrs. Cully than she does. I tell you, Chief, I am so tired and my feet hurt so bad that I ain't going out of this house again today.
I'll get it. You drink your coffee and calm down. Hello? Oh, Nell, it's Sal Bonaducci at Glen Lawn Motors.
Oh, good. Then my car is probably ready. Ask him did he do the tune-up and the lube job.
Did you do the tune-up and the lube job? He did the tune-up and the lube job.
That's on the 1795 special?
That was on the 1795 special? That was on the 1795 special?
That's good.
That's good. Plus 140 for the new fuel pump? Hold on, Sal. I got a hunch he wants to talk to you.
Sal, that is the 3rd fuel pump you put in my car in the past 2 months, and I ain't paying for it. I ain't gonna even drive my car anymore, and I'm gonna tell my friends not to drive their cars either. Then who you gonna cheat? You know, Chief, 2 hours ago, I made the biggest mistake of my life.
What was that?
I got out of bed.
Okay, Nell, so it's been a bad day. But you know what I firmly believe? Even though a dark cloud may cover the sun, that doesn't mean that old Mr. Sun's not still shining. I made that up myself. Think about it.
I thought about it, Chief. It stinks. Joey!
Yeah, Nell?
Can you come in the kitchen, darling?
What's up?
Did you use my library card to go check out a book?
Uh-oh. I forgot to take it back.
You certainly did.
I'm sorry, Aunt Nell.
Well, it's 5 days overdue, and I just got a bill for it in the mail.
Oh, come on, Nell. It's no big deal. I'll pay Joey's fine myself.
Oh, that's sweet of you, Chief. Here, it's for $1,600.
You're right. $1,600.
Old Mr. Sun still shining, Chief.
Can I go outside and play?
Yeah. Hey, but listen, I better not catch you near library for the rest of your life.
This is obviously a computer error, Nell. You better call him.
Ah, yeah, you're probably right. But I just want you to watch how I handle this. I won't even have to go down there. Hello? To whom am I speaking? Mrs. Crawford, yes. I have a problem. Need you to help me. I received a bill in the mail for a book that's 5 days overdue. Now, this is going to kill you. The bill is for $1,600. Mrs. Crawford, you aren't laughing. Look. I have had a bad day. First of all, my mail was scattered all over the neighborhood. Then I had a run-in with a thieving auto mechanic at Glen Lawn Motors. Yeah, Sal Bonaducci. See, even you know I'm a convenient book that he is. Bonaducci is your maiden name? Sal's your twin brother? Hello? Pardon me, could you tell me where I can find the book, the place
No,
where
I couldn't.
Yes, I need Mrs. Gomez to help me with this woman. Thank you.
Mr. Kirk?
Yes.
Oh, good. I have been searching. Oh.
Lower your voice. You're in a library.
I know, but we're in the basement.
Don't you think I know that? Hidden away in the bowels of this edifice like some amphibious vermin? How may the billing department help you?
Oh, Well, I received this letter for a book that's 5 days overdue. And could you take it?
$1,600?
Yes, can you believe that?
Should have waited for it to come out in paperback. I'll just check this out for you. Still $1,600.
What?
It's obviously a computer error. It's easily remedied.
Oh, good.
Just give us a check for the full amount and we'll refund the difference in a couple of months.
What? Are you crazy? I don't have that kind of...
I'll have our programmer Sal check this out.
Oh, no, not another Sal. First was Sal Bonaducci.
Bonaducci? Mrs. Crawford's twin brother? Wonderful mechanic. Keeps my car running like a top.
Mine, too.
Isn't that one? We both have the same mechanic. It's what I love about a small town. No one's a stranger.
I don't know about you, but this has got to be the worst day of my life. I am in control of absolutely nothing. And I hate that. And I hate computers. It's an earthquake! Oh, let me go. They say to get on the door jam. The door jam. Come on, let's get the door jam. The door jam. I swear, I will never hit another computer as long as I live. Oh my God, the beams in front of the door. We'll never get out of here. Help! Oh no! Just stay calm. Don't jump. Okay. All right. Oh, no. The hallway's a mess. The ceiling is falling in. Okay. Just hope the ceiling doesn't fall here. Now, if you give me a hand, we can move this beam, then I can go in the hall, and then I can get us an exit where you come. Hey. You. Give me a hand. Stop. The ceiling's cracking. Stop. Lady, are you deaf? Lady, the ceiling is cracking. Are you deaf? Look at me. The ceiling is cracking. Are you deaf or something? Oh, my gosh. You are deaf. You can't hear me. Okay, wait. Do you read lips? No. Do you read my... Oh, no. Okay, all right. I have a pencil in my purse. I got a pencil in my purse. Yes, I do. Okay. Let's see. There has been... And don't shake my hand. See? There, you did it. You broke a perfectly good pencil. A number 2 soft. Stay calm now. Stay calm. Yes. You have a library card. That's nice. Everybody has a library card. What? Oh, your name. Okay, all right. Marta Cadell. Oh, boy, wait. You're of Spanish descent, so you only read lips in Spanish. Oh, boy. Okay, see what I know. Okay, Espanol. Okay, good now. now. Good, good. Okay, Martha. Right, all right, all right. Cucaracha. Yeah. Tortilla. Okay. Taco. Chili con carne. Oh my God, we're in trouble. That's all I know. That's right. It's Guards Department. What are you doing to me? The ceiling is about to fall on my head. You stick me with a woman that can't hear, can only read lips in Spanish. I'm sorry. Oh, God. I'm gonna die and have absolutely nobody to complain to. No one to talk with all by myself. I can't live in total silence. Look, I know you don't understand anything I'm saying, but see, my name is Nell Harper, and I'm your basic talk. As a matter of fact, I'm your classic Vic now. So whether you like it or not, I'm gonna be walking and talking, maybe a little of each. You know what I mean? Doesn't anybody know we're here? Doesn't anybody know that we are here? The ceiling is gonna fall down on us, and all they're gonna find is two very flat people. I'm sorry, Margaret. I'm nervous and upset. And when I am nervous and upset, I talk a lot. As a matter of fact, even when I'm not nervous and upset, I talk a lot. But you know what? I'm not gonna talk so much. I'm gonna turn around, I'm gonna listen to you because I'm listen. What did you do to talking, okay? All right. How was your day? Oh, girl, what a dummy! Oh, no offense. Lord, the woman is talking to herself. She is actually talking to herself. That is the silliest thing I've ever heard. What am I doing? I'm sitting here talking to myself. This is not right. Now, when two people sit in a room and they're waiting for the ceiling to fall down their heads, they shouldn't be talking to themselves. They should be talking to each other. This is really stupid. This is awful. Lady, Marta, can you come over, please? Come up here. Here, sit down. Sit down. Sit down, okay? All right. You, me, talk. Yeah. Oh, come on. Okay. You, me, here around us. Yeah. No, slow down. You're going too fast. I don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand what you're saying. Will you stop it? I don't understand. You're drawing two figures, okay? Yo, Usted. Okay, Yo, Usted. Okay. Ah, got it, I got it, I got it! Yo, white, I got it. Yo, white, Usted black. I got it, I got it. We're communicating, we are communicating. But what are we saying? Draw some more. Come on, draw some more, draw some more, draw some more. Okay, all right. Gonna get there. Yeah, We're holding hands. Yeah, we're holding hands. No, wait. No, wait. I don't understand. Hey, don't quit. I mean, don't you know that even though there's a dark cloud covering the sun, that don't mean that Mr. Sun ain't shining? Ain't you heard that? Well, she ain't heard that. Me and my dumb ideas. I just spent 5 minutes finding out I was black in Spanish. I knew that. No, please, stop. Look, you tried and it didn't work. It's just gonna make matters worse. So why don't we just leave each other alone, okay? Will you leave me alone, lady? What? I understand. Just for that. Just for that. Julio Iglesias. You mean get away from you? You get away from me. I don't want you near me. I don't even want to know you. I don't want you in the same room with me. I don't like you. Oh, God, if I had known the day was going to turn out this way, I would have paid the loss of $1,600 for that stupid book. I don't believe this is happening to me. I don't believe this is happening to me. What? You're telling me to shut up? You can't even hear me, and you're telling me that I talk too much? Maybe I did rot off at the mouth a little bit. But you ran off with the hands. Here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I hurt your feelings. I mean, that's not like me. I mean, the last thing I would want to do is to hurt somebody else. Well, except Sal Bonaducci. You see, when I was a little girl, I was afraid that nobody liked me, so I found that if I sang, they liked me, and if I told jokes, they would laugh and they would like me, and I need that. I need people to like me. I need people. Now here I am with a damn ceiling about to fall on my head, and there's only one other human being around, and she might as well be 1,000,000 miles away. Marta. Hey, we got something in common. We both pray. Look, you're still Baptist. You're Catholic. Catholico. Yeah. See, I used to sing in the Catholic church all the time. See, there was this priest who wanted me to sing at Christmas time because there was only 2 kids in town who could sing Ave Maria in Latin, and that was me and Shirley Greenbaum. But see, Shirley Greenbaum couldn't sing Ave Maria in Latin. See, at Christmas time, she would go to Miami with her family. What is it? You gonna start hitting me again? What is it? Wait, you understood something I said? Okay, all right. All right, the church, the priest, Shirley Greenbaum, right? What? Okay, yeah. Are you gonna throw up on me? Song. Ave Maria, Ave Maria. What? You want me to sing? Okay, sing Ave Maria. Okay, right. Okay, ready? Okay. Ave Maria, gratia plena, Maria, gratia plena, Maria, gratia plena, Ave, Ave Dominus, Dominus tecum, benedicatur et mure rebus, et benedictus, et benedicus fructus ventris, ventris tu, Jesus. Ave Maria. Amen. Oh my God! My God! My God!
Nell?
Yes, Lord. Chief,
Yeah, we're coming through the ceiling. You'll be out in a couple of minutes. Are you all right?
we're just fine, Chief.
Someone there with you?
Yeah. We're gonna be all right. We're gonna do a little girl talk till you get here. Oh. Yes, you know what? All this excitement has made me hungry, too. I'll tell you what. When we get out of here, I'm gonna take you to a Mexican restaurant, but I'm gonna order your way. Show me how to say taco. No. Slow down. So, no. See, I've never been good at foreign languages. Okay. Do this slow so I can get it right, okay? Taco.